Hi guys, it's Rhonda, and in this video we're going to talk about Father's Day and taking a design similar to this, okay, that's really easy to make, but very, very popular. And we're going to just make our own, but we're going to make it a little bit better, all right? And this is a great design because it's versatile. You know, you can put the word dad in it, you can put granddad in it, you can put, where is it here? We have girl dad. So you can do this in a lot of different ways. And we're going to do that, but we're also going to make it just a little bit better, give it a little bit more personality, okay? So I am going to hop over here to Render Studio and I'm going to show you, this is one I did earlier today. And you see, I did the badge style with the camo background, the word dad in here, but I also added some wildlife, something to make it a little bit more unique, something to make it a little bit more you or the father, you know, something that, you know, maybe someone can relate to a little bit more, you know, hunters with the animals, wildlife lovers, anything like that. So this is the design. And you can use this design in different ways too. Here it is as a big design on the front of a shirt, but you can also use it as like a left chest design. You could also use it as a full back design. So this is a really versatile design that's really easy to make too. So I am just going to start a new page here. And I'm going to show you real quick how I do it right here inside of Render Studio. The first thing I do is I'm going to come over here to my masks area and I'm going to grab a badge. And you know, you can grab any. I'm going to do one a little different this time, okay? So I'm going to choose this style. I mean, we do have a couple other style of badges in here too, but I think I'm going to go with this to make it a little bit different. And then I'm going to come up here to add image. And from my history, I'm just going to grab one of my camouflage backgrounds. I think I'm going to go with this one. And you can add from your history. You can upload images if you want to. You can also grab it from the community gallery. So you can look through here. If there's something in here you want to use in your design, you can do that too. So now that I have that, I'm just going to hold down Shift. I'm going to resize that a little bit. Okay, I'm going to put that there. And I am going to come down here and add a border to my badge. Let's see, what do we want to do here? I think that's good. And I'm going to let it at 15 pixels. I think that looks good. Right. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my text on. So I'm going to add a heading. I'm going to change that to dad. And I'm going to change the font here. I want this AB School Varsity. And you can add your own fonts in here. So you can upload right over here on the left. You can see a custom font panel where you can upload fonts you've gotten from, you know, Creative Fabrica, So Fontsy, wherever. Now I'm going to resize my dad. I want this pretty darn big. I want it to actually, I think, expand beyond the badge a little. Just like that. I'm going to change the color and I'm going to use my color picker tool because I want it to match some of the colors in my design, in my camo. And now I am going to come down here and I'm going to add a stroke to that. And I'm going to make my stroke again about 15. And I think I'm going to change the stroke color to this dark green. I don't like the color of my text. I'm going to go with something a little lighter. So it's not exactly the same. Just like that, I think. I'm going to go. And now I'm going to add some type of wildlife. Okay. I'm just going to look through here and let's go with the eagle. I brought that in and I can just remove the background right here and let me make him a little bit bigger and let's rotate him a little bit. We don't really want him. Let's go, I think something like that. And I'm just going to move him back behind the dad. All right. And just that quick, we were able to create that design. Now I'm going to flatten it so it's all one layer so I don't have to worry about moving, you know, pieces that I didn't really want to move. So that's it. Just that quick, we were able to create a really cool dad kind of design with that badge look in the background with camo and the word dad, but we also made it a little bit better by adding some wildlife. In this case, I added the eagle. So let's do another one. So I'm just going to show you. I mean, it's just so easy to do in here. Let's do this badge style. And again, I'm going to come up here, but I'm going to go into the community gallery. And I am going to use this camo this time. And I'm going to move it around a little, make it a little bit bigger. Again, I'm going to add the border. And this time, I'm just going to let it black. I think that looks pretty good. And the same thing, we're going to do our text. This time, we're going to do Pappy. And again, I'm going to go with... Do I want that one? Brown College. I think I'm going to stick with the AB Varsity. And we're going to move that and make it bigger. Keep this one inside the badge since it's pretty wide. Okay, let's move that. All right, so that looks pretty good there. And I'm going to make the text white. And I am going to add a stroke to this again. And we're going to make that just about 15, just the same as our border there, but this time we are going to use the color picker and going to go with this dark brown here. Okay, so that looks good. And again, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go into the community gallery and I'm going to pick an animal. I think I'll use the pheasant. No, I want that bear. I just thought about that. Let's grab this bear. Okay, so we'll make that. Remove the background just that quick. Let's make this bear bigger. Put it right about there and move it behind our word Pappy. And again, just that quickly, we were able to create this great, in fact, I think I'm going to move Pappy down. No, let's go there. All right, I know I'm indecisive, right? But you can do it however you like to. But I think that looks pretty darn good, just like that. I'm going to select everything, I'm going to flatten it so I don't have to worry about accidentally moving pieces I don't want to move. And there you go, your design is done. So it's that quick, that easy to come in here and just make these designs and make a variety of them. Make the Pappy, make the dad, make the girl dad, make a boy dad, make, Granddad, make Papa, whatever names you want to make. You can list them individually. You can list them in a bundle. It's completely up to you. But these are just super simple to make and they're very popular styles, just this simple camo. And like I said, it can be used in a lot of different ways. You can use it as a chest design, as a small pocket design, as a full back design. It's completely up to you. And your customers show it in different ways, put mock-ups up in your shop, showing it as a full front, a full back, a pocket. So people realize that they can use this in a lot of different ways. So that's all I wanted to show you today, is just how quick and easy it is to make these types of designs. It's not too early to be thinking of Father's Day. In fact, absolutely, it's time to get those designs up, all right? Don't wait much longer. We should have already been listing our Father's Day designs, okay? So if you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments. Let me know. Like I said, I used Render Studio for this. I have a link for it in the description below. I also have a coupon code down there for you if you want to give it a try. There is a free trial, so you can sign up and give it a shot without spending any money, okay? So give it a look. Let me know what you think. And as always, thanks guys so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.